Hello. This is Hector. I'm doing another cooking, and here's some ingredients that I'm gonna have to put together. That's the seafood with my pie. Then tomato, potato, and then I gotta put it all in there together. So I put that and tomato, that. This is just a trick that I do. I don't mind when I put the pie a little under water because it'll separate the paste and only the meat will go everywhere. So then I use this, then this, the potatoes, straight cut shit potatoes, and then the vegetables. That was it. So what I have to do is go like this or something. If we're going to go like this or something. Oh, wow. Yeah. Excuse me, please. Oop, good manners. Then the tomatoes. So they'll go on like that, right? Then the next one is this. Going like that, see? That's going to be heaps like that. Then you got to put the herbs in it. You got to put all, we'll just put the herbs in it. Okay, the herbs is called all-purpose, but I mixed it inside with other herbs, so it looks like this. Oh, sorry. And then we'll put some of these upala carrots. Then we put some of that in there. Oh look, there's still a little bit in there. There. Oops, love you. This herb, the cogent herb. That's enough, I think. Then this other one, garlic and herbs. My phone's gone funny again. I pressed the button. Oops. No, doesn't come out. It needs to be. Then next, you just put some of this. That's plenty of everything. Then later on, then with the potatoes, that potato. Oh, the potatoes. Oops, sorry. Oopsie daisy. What have I done? Oh, go. And I put it this away, please. Be nice. Good manners. Love you. So we've done that. Oh, we need a bit of this as well. This is going to be hard. Because I'm holding the phone and I keep pressing buttons. Saying it's going for 3 minutes. Okay, bit of this all around like this. Bit of this. This is a stir-fry vegetable, isn't it? Stir-fry super vegetable. This cost me about $4.10 or something, 20 something like that. Now we've got to put some water into it. I must love doing this, eh? Anyway, I'm putting that later, and that later when it's warm. So I've done that and the potatoes. So it looks like this. Anyway, and then we've got to put some water into it, like this. Just put the whole lot like that. Right. Now we need more water or something. Now we turn it on over here, please. This one is over here, so it's this one, eh? This one, eh? Turn it not too high. Then this. Oops, I've done the water. Do we need more water? Come back and I put some more later. I think that's the idea. The idea was that not too much water because it'll be too watery, wouldn't it? So come back later when you need it. You can put extra water or something. Okay, I've done all the herbs. I'm just gonna put that later. A little bit of that with a little bit of salt. And that. Okay, I'll be back. I'll be back as soon as this is cooked. Family. Anyway, I'm a bit tired. My next door neighbor is silly. I love you. Okay, when this is cooked, I'll return. Woohoo! Yeah! La 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 la. Yee-hoo! La 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 la. Boopa! Down, 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 down. Da-dun, da-dun, da-dun. Bye bye. I'll see you when the food is cooked. Okay, hello. I got the food. This way it turned out to be a mushy like this with seafood, potatoes, all different herbs. See this one herb? I don't know the name of that, but it's got all these seafood, potatoes, tomatoes. It's got everything herbs. It's got everything. I put all these herbs now. I put some of that garlic, some of this, that. What else have I got? Anyway, it turned out to be like this. Now all I have to do, excuse me please, where I put a spoon over here please, and then Upa lady, senorina, caballera. I'm gonna have to put a few like this. Got this little cut in my finger, eh? It's killing me. That should last me for the next 4 hours, wouldn't it? Me sitting down watching TV. Sitting down watching TV. Look at this. I've done heaps, eh? Excuse me, please. Be nice. Complimentary. Exclusivo. There, it is like that. So it's got plenty of veggies, seafood, and it smells beautiful to me. I love it. Some people don't understand me cooking, but I do. I meant to put egg, but I didn't put egg. It's my kettle, and this is my house. Ooh. And I drank this alcohol yesterday. Anyway, there's my surfboard over there. There's my surfboard. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I'm sorry, have to eat this food. It'll last me. That should last me 4 hours, wouldn't it? And then if I'm hungry, I get more. Anyway, I love you. I don't know how I'm red on the face. Sorry. Woohoo, la 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 la. You. Family. La familia. Wow. Illawarra, New South Wales, Australia. Whoop. I love you. Champion family. Okay, I'm going.